Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about making pivot table in Microsoft Excel. In the last video, we have seen how to create a basic table, and we have changed its style and color. Now, how to create a pivot table. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large amounts of data. First of all, you have created a table in Microsoft Excel in the last video. Then in the second step, click on the pivot table icon. The pivot table window appears and the entire table is automatically selected. Third step, you have to choose a data you want to analyze, either by table selection or by external data source depending on its connection. Fourth step, choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed, either in new worksheet or in existing worksheet. And final step, click OK. Let's say in new worksheet, the pivot table field list is given on the right side of the screen. You can choose field to add to report column names. Additionally, you can drag fields between areas below, including filters, columns, rows, and values. Pivot table includes grand total when summed up all. If you like to do an average, the average value will be equal to total sum divided by n values, like in probability. So, this video is about pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.